She's getting it.
You just have to be patient with them. Let's grab it from the head, not the butt. I guess with pinkies it doesn't matter.
Watch how she stretches her mouth. That's cool.
It just took a minute for her to settle down and then smell it.
Oh, you want to see this, babe? Check this out.
This is nice. Yeah, I've seen it before, honey.
Yeah, we tried a live one the first time and it squeaked and you know, I fed my snakes before in this container like this. And this is kind of traditional, I guess. I'll post it on YouTube. Go along with my leopard gecko video.
That was so neat. When she does that.
Does it look like there's something in there?
Oh yeah, actually. We'll be able to see it all the way down, I think. Since her body is clear. Try not to move around though, because she still can regurgitate it.
So they may take it out?
Yeah.
Spit it out.
It's like you throwing up. It takes a while for their mucous membranes in their stomach to come back.
That's why you'll see a snake when it just ate, you'll have a big old lump in there.
Yeah. That's how, and once it disappears, you can handle them again.
Yeah, you don't ever want to touch them while they got a lump in their butt.
Because they're regurgitating, it can hurt them because they don't want to eat again for a while.
Yeah, I never did hold mine because it was a black snake and it was in the wild.
Yeah.
And she was, I didn't mess with it.
Yeah. You can tame them down, but yeah, that's pretty. Oh, look at that! There's a black spot where the mouse is.
What do you mean?
See it moving down?
I think snakes can't hear sounds.
Where is it?
Right there. I guess she is a good eater, huh?
It's right there.
Man, it's a lump.
See it?
I can see it.
I can't see it. It takes a long time to get it down, doesn't it?
Fast, they do as fast as they
I
can.
can see its eye. This is awesome.
You know, I've never seen a blizzard eat before, but man, you can see the pinky going down. You can see its head.
Yeah.
It looks like a black mass. It's awesome.
How do they get it down?
Muscles.
How do they get it back up?
Muscles.
Does that dissolve?
Huh?
Does that dissolve?
What?
The pinky.
It's just they have the same digestive system we got, so they're a little stronger. Yep, it's going. Oh man, I'm seeing it slide down. It's freaky.
Yeah, once you get it taped up, you can rewatch that.
Yeah, I'll post it on the computer so we can watch it in a bigger screen. Damn, there's a big black dot there. Crack. That's awesome.
That is neat.
And you can see the light going through the snake because it's clear. That's so freaky. moving it down.
Why is it moving back up?
Alright. Hope she's not gonna regurgitate it. Looks like it's in her stomach now. She's just getting it settled.
Why should do that?
Look at that.